Open YouTube and look up the channel called The Great Cat Escape Story. This channel is entirely focused on cat-related content, and in only 2 months it has managed to gather more than 40,000 subscribers, with 34 uploaded videos and millions of views. If you pay close attention, some of their clips even showcase lions interacting with cats, sometimes playfully, other times in mock battles. This sort of unique storytelling appeals to both children and adults, which is why it spreads so quickly across YouTube and other social platforms. Now, to make our own variation, start by opening ChatGPT and sign in using any Google account. Head back to the Great Cat Escape Story channel. Click on the Popular section and take a screenshot of any thumbnail you find attractive. Upload that screenshot into ChatGPT and ask, "Can you create similar prompts for an image like this one?" ChatGPT will instantly provide you with fresh, original prompts based on that thumbnail style. Save these prompts to your computer or phone because we'll need them in the following step. Step 2 is creating the video with an all-in-one editor. The tool we'll use is called Meta AI. At the link I've included in the description, go directly to the Meta AI homepage. Log in with your Facebook or Instagram account. It's very simple and easy. Don't worry, it's 1000% free and easy to generate image and video. First, choose the image option. Then paste the prompt from ChatGPT one by one. Select ratio and hit enter. Boom! Within a minute your image is ready with high quality. Look at them, they are highly engaging and perfectly color balanced. Perfect for your video. Now what about the motion? Chill. We will animate them with this AI. You don't need to go anywhere else. Just click Animate, and within a few minutes your clip is ready. Cool, right? Now generate every image with same image one by one. Want more? Just repeat the process, new project, new image, same quick steps. In a couple of minutes, another gorgeous animation will be done. Meta AI is truly next level. Whether you're making heartwarming pet clips, dramatic mini stories, or short cinematic moments, it delivers high-quality animation completely free. Smooth, detailed, and visually striking with zero budget required. Your clip is ready. Now we have to arrange them all. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any other free video editor. Add some transition, effects, sound effects, background music. It's totally on you. You can put anything to show your creativity. It will help you to monetize your video without any hassle. More you put effort, more you are in safe zone. By the way, our video is ready. Check it out. You can use trending music from YouTube, which will help you to go viral soon. And there you have it, a complete AI-generated animated video made without struggling with complicated software or spending endless hours learning animation. So, head over to Meta AI, create your own videos, publish them on YouTube or any other platform, and begin your journey toward earning online income. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next video.